So this is my little demo on how to make rustic homemade Christmas bonbons or Christmas crackers. So the first thing I've got is some old paper towel cardboard cores, and I've cut them in half. And now I'm just placing half a core with a little Christmas snap inside it. I bought these Christmas snaps at Spotlight. And I've got some pre-cut wrapping paper in 35 centimetre by 16 centimetre rectangles. You can see I'm using glue tape to secure the core inside, and then I'm shuffling two little half cores inside the ends so that when I sort of wiggle the ends to make them so that I can tie a ribbon around them and seal them off, it's not crushing the ends of the paper. So I'm using curling ribbon. You can use twine or whatever your preference is for decorative ribbon. Sorry, I went off camera a bit here. And then once that end is secured, I'm tipping it up and putting some chocolates and treats and little Christmas sparklers in there. You can choose whichever little treats or goodies you'd like to put in there. If you go plastic free, that would be even better. Now I'm just securing the other end, repeating the same step from before at the opposite end and tying my curling ribbon around. And then I'll be finishing it off with a sticker. You can make your own choices about the paper, the ribbon, the things that you put inside and the way you style these, but this is one of the simplest ways I know of creating them. So have some fun creating your Christmas crackers. I've got some written instructions on conscious humanity over at Substack. Thanks everyone. Bye.